Okay, guys, so now we're going to do compound interest. Same things apply. P is the principal, that's your balance. R is going to be your rate, that's your interest rate, that's the percentage, and T is time. It's just going to look a little bit different, when you put it in the calculator this time. So P is principal, that's going to be your 3,000. Parentheses, 1 plus whatever your interest rate is, which is going to be 4.5%. Turn into a decimal. That'll be 0.045. Remember, you move the decimal back twice. And then it'll be raised to the 4th power. That is an exponent for time. So I'm going to use the graphing calculator to show you how to put it in. Oops. Sorry about that. All right, so here we go. I'm going to put the 3,000 in, and then parentheses, 1 plus 0.045, close parentheses, and then remember, caret key, or you could just do the square, or no, I guess it wouldn't work. You'd have to do caret key because we're going to the 4th power. And then hit enter. Now, before, that's $3,577.50, we'll round up, 56 cents. Now before, with simple interest, when you did the formula, you just found interest and you had to go back and add it to the balance. With compound interest, the balance is added in with it. So this is the total amount. So if they say, how much money will you have after 4 years at a 4.5 interest rate if you started with $3,000, the answer is $3,577.56. If they just want to know how much interest you made, you're going to have to subtract it out. So you would have to start with your, I'll do it like a spreadsheet here. Here's what we came up with. Here was the original. When you subtract them, this would give you how much interest you made after the 4-year period, which would be $577.56, which is what was added to the $3,000 when we put it into the formula to find the total balance after we put the compound interest with it over 4 years. So again, remember, principal is the balance, rate is the percentage, T is for time, the amount of years. When you get your answer, that will be the total. If you want to know the interest, you will have to subtract it from the original balance. And that's compound interest. And that's the only two things that they'll ask for. They'll either ask for the interest or they'll ask for the total. So again, if you want interest, you're going to have to subtract it from the original balance.